Hello, hello, hello. Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. I go by Danny, and this is Down South with Danny. We're going to be talking about something that I love to do the absolute most, and that is shop my ass off. So, today's haul is going to be from Tarte. Yay, Tarte. Let me tell you about Tarte. So, I know Tarte me with the shits. They put out a lot of the same things, but I'm a same type of girl a lot of times. And so for me, Tarte was one of the first brands that had a foundation that matched my skin tone, that had eyeshadows I could really work with and use. So I fell in love with Tarte hard. It had blushes that showed up on my skin tone, highlighters that showed up on me. They showed up on me when a lot of other brands did not. So I know they had a shit fest with their releases, like their face base and shape tape foundations, and they had to go back and do a bunch of work. They went back and did a bunch of work. I haven't quite found my shade in those yet, because the shades that correspond to shades I used to wear aren't quite as matchy as they should be. So I'm gonna work on that. But I do have one of every single foundation that they own with this order. This order helped me get to the last foundation that I needed. And I've tried their other foundation that I don't have in my collection anymore, like the powder and the stick, which I don't want to re-buy either one of those, because the powder is too drying for my dry skin, and then the stick doesn't have a shade that matches me at all, like even remotely. And I don't like the texture of it. But that's neither here nor there. Here we're talking about what I got in this box. So Tarte. Who is Tarte? Anyway, Tarte runs a promotion every year that gives you 6 products for like $65, okay? Then they normally have a coupon, like a 15% off you can use on top of that, and then they had some other things that were half off still that I threw one of those items in here. So I think I was very restraining in what I bought, really was. But I'm going to show you the items that I got in my little kit. They give you a bag. This year I picked, I haven't even opened this yet. But this year I got a rose gold sequin bag with a little flapper tassel. Cute. In the past I've gotten like leather bags and different mermaid ones, and they're always really pretty. And I think this is really cute, like a good little size for like overnight travel makeup. So I like this a lot. So that's the bag that I got. The products I picked were the setting spray, the Ready Set Ready Skin Mist. Very refreshing, very hydrating. I have used this in the past. Multiple minis and trial sizes of these and travel sizes. So I do really like this. Gonna be excited to use this basically because my skin is dry. And then I got, so excited to have this again, the eyelash curler with the, I'm trying to set the lash. Okay, Lights Camera Lashes is the mascara, which you know I'm wearing today. I have liked it for years and years. It used to be Holy Grail, but it's kind of got debunked by the It Cosmetics superhero and the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. But I love this, and I don't mind using it a mini. And then I got my lash curler, my favorite lash curlers, back in stock. And this by itself is like $20-something, guys. And this is like $20-something. So this set, basically, you get like almost $200 of stuff for $65. So you can't beat it. Then I got something I was gonna buy in the Sephora holiday sale because I love it, which is the Hotel Heiress Waterproof Matte Bronzer. They updated the packaging on it, and it now has like raised letters. But this is a beautiful bronzer. Love it. I have used a full size of this twice since they've released it, and they only released it a few years ago. So each year I use one of these, or each year and a half I've used one of these. So I was gonna buy this. It smells like vanilla cookies. I was gonna buy this again in the sale, but then Tarte popped up basically the same day as Sephora started their sale with this, and this was an option to put in your bundle, and I was like, why not get this and more items for $65 instead of paying $30? I think it's $30 for that one bronzer. But then I also got this little cute little mini Tartelette Flirt palette, which I think is so cute. Like I said, I like their shadows a lot, and this is just like, wham bam, thank you ma'am. Beautiful. Basically, you get a full face of makeup for $65. Eyeshadow, mascara, curler, setting powder, bronzer. You could get a whole face full. I also got another lip product, the Color Splash in Boardwalk, which is a brown. Y'all, I love this packaging on these. These are so pretty and weighty and cute. Beautiful. Also has a really good hydrating formula. So I like this. Got it in a nude because I wear so many nudes in the winter. So I snatched that up. So I got a lipstick, I got bronzer, I got eyeshadow, I got a setting spray, mascara, and an eyeshadow curler, and bam, a foundation. This is in Deep Golden 51G and is the Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. This is one of the first foundations I wore for a long time. And I used to wear it in Deep Honey because I used to always buy it in the summertime. And Deep Honey is my summer color for them because I'm really much more peachy and bronze. But this is much more neutral and golden for winter. So I cannot wait to give this a try. I'm excited to try something I haven't used in a long time because it used to be an old school love. It was an old school love for real, y'all. So I'm excited to try that again. So that's what I got as my 6 products in the box, in the little bag set. And then I picked up this Tarte Cosmetics collector set. It's beautiful. Look at the back. It's really pretty. It has a lights, camera, lashes, and a limited edition packaging, and a Tarte brush in it. And their brushes are actually really soft. Super soft. Like, this is double-ended. That's the only thing I don't like about their brushes. They're all, like, double-ended. But they're, like, soft, too. Love this. This is beautiful. So, it's definitely going to be a keep. And then, a little set comes like this. Then it has that full-size lights, camera, lashes, mascara, and the gold limited edition packaging. And it has this centerpiece, which looks like this. Very pretty stars and sparkly and cute. And then it opens to some cheek products, 2 blushes and 2 highlighters. And then it has like these little grooves and you slide them out. And you get to 9 eyeshadows. I thought this was just so cute. And I hadn't heard anyone talking about this. And this was on sale for like 50% off. So I snatched it up because why not when you can get a sale on it. It's very pretty. I like Tarte eyeshadows like I said. And this would be a really good little travel companion for the holidays especially. And I know we'll do some traveling at Thanksgiving. And we'll do some traveling at other times of the year. So I was really excited about that because it's really convenient to have. I'm excited to try all these things from Tarte. I know this was a really quick haul, but I didn't get a lot of stuff. I actually got a lot of stuff for great prices. I think I might have spent like $80 and I got everything here. I don't even know if I spent $80, y'all. I really think it was like $70. This is so good value for your money. Like 6 full-size products for $65. So if you guys see that sale pop up where they say, hey, 6 full-size products for $65 and a makeup bag, grab it because I am excited for the things that I got. I always am. I always try to get like good mix of things from Tarte when they have those. So they have them a couple times a year. Normally once in the winter and once in the spring or summer maybe. But they're good value. Good value for money. I love Tarte as a brand. I have so many of their products. I did take a little hiatus. We were on a little breakup whenever they had their solutions with their last foundations. But like I said, I have them all to try. I'm going to do like a Tarte foundation roundup so we can see kind of how they look on the face, how they swatch, what the colors look like because my coloring matching is off as hell. But I'll show you what the formula where it's like because you can color correct the foundation and then wear it still and see what it wears like. So look forward to that. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you have a great day today, whatever day you're watching this, or night if you're watching this at night. See you around. Bye.